Our Guam Women's Chamber of Commerce vision is that we want women to participate in the community development and the economic development of our island, and that we women want to be just as strong and formidable in the business community as our male counterparts.
To accomplish this, the Guam Women's Chamber of Commerce is always looking for ways to lift up the status and image of women on Guam. This is why they came up with the first Women of Guam series. And today, they honor 10 women who have been recognized as the first women on Guam to reach certain milestones. Elizabeth Baird Anderson was recognized as the first appointed woman Attorney General of Guam. Carmen Maling Romualdez de la Cruz, the first woman owner of a music and art school on Guam. Herminia Dueñas-Dierking, the first Chamorro woman president of the Association of Pacific Island Legislatures. Leona Flores, the first Chamorro woman to graduate from a U.S. Military Academy Air Force. Clotilde Castro Gould, the first Chamorro woman to lead the Chamorro Studies program and the first Chamorro woman cartoonist. Esther Kiaina, the first woman from Guam to serve as an assistant secretary at the U.S. Department of Insular Affairs. Rindradi Celis-Limtiaco, the first woman publisher of a daily newspaper on Guam. Flora Baza Kwan, the first Chamorro woman recording artist and the first Chamorro woman to win a regional beauty pageant. Maria Roberto, the first Chamorro woman chief native nurse, and Genevieve Ploke Snow, the first Chamorro woman U.S. naval officer.